Ambulance here, open up the door. If you don't open, we might break it down. Oh, it's open. Come on in. Oh my gosh. What happened in here? I have no idea. But it looks like the murder left the crime scene. Come on, you gotta get some evidence. I've got all the evidence I need right here. Oh, dang it. Can you get a bag to put this in or something? Yeah, right now we need to take these bodies out. I'll go get the gurney. Alright, you do that. And back with the gurney. Here you go. Next body. Hey, isn't this the killer that killed his own wife? Yes, now I notice him. Oh, he gives me the chills. Hey, you're stepping all over the evidence. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Oh, there's blood on my paw. Just whatever. Just take this body out. Okay. Look for the other bodies. Oh, this poor little kid. Now I'm gonna take the evidence. I'm just gonna take it on here. And some blood prints. Okay, good. Now we got all of the evidence we need. Now it's time to go analyze it.